Hi, I'm Roxanne Louise, and I'm giving a workshop on Sunday, August 14th at the NGH conference. It's from 1 to 4 p.m. This is called Healing Through Time, Stopping Negative Repeating Patterns. So if you or your clients have been frustrated with the same upsetting issue cropping up over and over again, whether in your personal or professional life, despite your best efforts to change it, you're clearly missing something. That may be the root cause of prior sensitizing event or significant subsequent events. Perhaps there are other important related issues that are holding it in place. There may be things that originate only in this life, or they may stem from birth, the womb, or even before. We know that some problems are carried on the genes through the family line. I've put multiple ways for you to resolve this dilemma by integrating unconscious healing modalities. These are drawn from hypnosis, NLP, energy healing, and dowsing. If you don't do dowsing, kinesiology or ideomotor response works very well. So what if you thought, as perhaps most of us have, if I could only do it over again, I would. So I'm going to tell you that energetically you can redo past events. So you can go into the past and make a healthier, more constructive judgment of the events, because from thought, from judgments, stem emotions, and from emotions stem actions or inactions. You can also energetically extract the positive learning from the experience and sharing that learning throughout all of time. You can resolve and clear issues, negative repeating patterns, and trauma. You can go into the future to clear negative future projections and align with a more positive outcome, and download and share greater resources throughout all timelines. In this powerhouse workshop, you're going to learn multiple steps to work on any issue for yourself or your clients, gain greater resources in going forward, and change the frequency that attracts or sustains a negative pattern, and instead make the default setting one that is empowering and sets up a resonance that allows for a positive future. Hope to see you.